Yeah, my name is Gareth Davies, and I am the Service Delivery Manager for East Lancashire. At 4 a.m. yesterday morning, on Tuesday morning, we had a burst on one of our cast iron mains on Bolton Road. This caused poor pressure to many of our customers in Chorley, and unfortunately resulted in no water for other customers. We had a digger on site digging down, and it was actually buried quite deep, so it took us quite a long time to get onto it. However, once we'd isolated the burst, most customers in the area did come back on water. For those that didn't, we actually used tankers to pump in. We have these water tankers, which we call alternative supply vehicles, or ASVs, which pumped into the network to keep almost 2,000 customers on water, and we did that on a rota basis with the repair around about 7 p.m. yesterday, Tuesday night, and water was then restored to all of our customers throughout yesterday evening. Unfortunately, the main burst just downstream from the original burst, again at about 11 p.m. last night. This again caused poor supplies and no water to many of our customers. We again used tankers to pump in and keep the customers going. However, we then, as I'm sure many of our customers in Chorley will appreciate, ran into some torrential rain, which hampered our repair due to unsafe working. We were having sort of silt and gravel because it's in a dip on Bolton Road. So all the water from sort of all the surrounding area during the torrential downpours was coming into our hole as sort of a point where it could escape. So that slowed our repairs down. But it's not that unusual. What is unusual is for it to happen twice so close together. We believe that that's possibly due to the torrential downpours that we had yesterday. It made the hole slightly unstable, which is really unfortunate. And we, obviously we appreciate the impact this has had on our customers, but it is very rare for it to happen so close to so close together. And was kind of falling into the hole, and that slowed us down quite significantly. I just say I'm so sorry, but please understand that we've been working. We've had people working all night and all day, digging away, trying to get that main repaired. We have met over the last 24 hours, and I've just really appreciated their patience and understanding as well.